The definition of family is interpreted differently in various service rules of the Karnataka government. We have attempted to provide these interpretations, along with the respective rules, to all our friends in the Service Matters group through an audio presentation. Please listen to it and subscribe to our channel. If you agree, don't forget to like it and share it with other friends. This is the third video on the definition of family. Definition of family under Rule 8 of the Karnataka Civil Services, Family Pension, Rules, 2002. A. Wife, or as the case may be, husband. Example: if a government employee passes away, the surviving spouse, either wife or husband, is eligible to receive the family pension. B. A judicially separated wife or husband where such separation is not being granted on the ground of adultery and the person surviving was not held guilty of committing adultery. Example: if a government employee was judicially separated from their spouse due to reasons other than adultery, and the surviving spouse was not found guilty of adultery, the separated spouse is eligible for the family pension. However, if there are minor children, the competent authority can decide to pay the pension to the children instead of the judicially separated spouse. C. Son who has not attained the age of 18 years and unmarried daughter who has not attained the age of 21 years, including such son and daughter adopted legally before the date of retirement. Example: if a government employee passes away, their son under the age of 18 or their unmarried daughter under the age of 21 is eligible to receive the family pension. This also applies to legally adopted children, provided the adoption occurred before the employee retired. D. For the purpose of these rules, a divorced wife or husband of the government servant shall be deemed to have predeceased the government servant and shall not be eligible for family pension under these rules, but the minor children born to such government servant from the divorced wife or husband before the divorce shall, however, be eligible for the share of the family pension under these rules in the manner indicated under Rule 9. Example 1: if a government employee was divorced, the divorced spouse is not eligible for the family pension. It is assumed that the divorced spouse predeceased the employee. Example 2: however, if the government employee had minor children with the divorced spouse before the divorce, those children are eligible to receive a share of the family pension according to the rules specified under Rule 9. Practical examples. Scenario 1. Employee Mr. Rao. Family: Mrs. Rao, wife, and an adopted son, Rahul, 16 years old. Situation: Mr. Rao passes away. Eligibility: Mrs. Rao and Rahul are both eligible for the family pension. Mrs. Rao receives the pension as the surviving spouse, and Rahul qualifies as he is under 18. Scenario 2. Employee Ms. Shalini. Family: Mr. Ramesh, judicially separated husband, separation not due to adultery, and the daughter, Priya, 20 years old, unmarried. Situation: Ms. Shalini passes away. Eligibility: Mr. Ramesh is eligible for the family pension as the judicially separated husband. Priya is also eligible for the family pension as she is under 21 and unmarried. Scenario 3. Employee Mr. Kumar. Family: ex-wife, divorced, and 2 children, Arun, 12 years old, and Sneha, 14 years old. Situation: Mr. Kumar passes away. Eligibility: the ex-wife is not eligible for the family pension. However, Arun and Sneha are eligible for their share of the family pension as they were born before the divorce and are minors. Scenario 4. Employee Ms. Priya. Family: Mr. Raj, husband, and a son, Vijay, 19 years old. Situation: Ms. Priya passes away. Eligibility: Mr. Raj is eligible for the family pension as the surviving husband. Vijay is not eligible as he is over 18 years old. These examples illustrate the eligibility criteria for family pension under different family scenarios as per Rule 8 of the Karnataka Civil Services, Family Pension, Rules, 2002.